Hey guys, this is Robert, and I'm going to be unboxing this shower current rod holder set. Something around the box. Pretty simple logo. Bought these because my current shower rods just fall whenever. And here it comes with the screws and anchors, as well as holder and adhesive on the back. So you either stick with adhesive or you can add the screws for more security. But that is it. That is the shower curtain rod holder sets. If you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.